Hey, this is Paulina here, sending this custom video to show you some things or insights that can be beneficial for you to help you increase your visibility. I must say that you already have great visibility in some areas, so your marketing is doing really well. So congratulations on that. I just wanted to share with you a couple things. Hopefully you find it helpful. And again, my name is Paulina. We spoke to Sharon this morning about this video that we're sending. So here we are. So in this video, I'll just go briefly over content and keywords that you might already know and be familiar with. Also the backlinks and citations. So the first thing that I'm gonna go over is the content and citations. Sorry, the content and the keywords. The content in your homepage is the first thing that Google looks at as far as how algorithms are concerned and rank you inside of Google searches. So it wants to see an average of 1,500 words of content in your homepage. And it's really dependent on what's the competitor doing. We can see how many words they have and figure out if you really need to add on that much content. But ideally, that's kind of like the rule. The more content you have, the better. And also with the content, you want to have those keywords that are relevant to your services and your customer base, and also that are buyer intent. So a keyword is any phrase that people are typing inside of Google when looking for services or products. So for example, roofing companies in Richmond, Virginia. So that's an example of a keyword, and there are so many keywords that I know you do have a good number of keywords, and just gotta make sure that they're placed in your site, in your throughout all your website, and again that they are relevant and buyer intent. That's you telling Google that you want to be found for those keywords. Now, the second thing that I wanted to go over is the backlinks. The backlinks are those links of your site from other sites that are pointing direction back to you. So basically like a shout out from another website. And the backlinks are going to give your site trust and credibility so that you are visible, you are positioned as the expert, and be in the organic results. So I'm gonna jump in here and I'm gonna search roofing contractor in Richmond, Virginia. I also did a couple more searches, like for example, roofing company, Henrico, Virginia. So if we see here, you're ranking here, which is a great theme. You do have, on your website, you have your address in Henrico, but in your Google business profile, you have Richmond, Virginia. But you are, regardless, you're ranking here, which is important, okay? Now, if we come here, if we jump in here, you're not gonna be here anymore. But really, ranking in the map pack is gonna be because of your address, okay? And the address on your profile needs to match the information on your website. So you're ranking here, which is great, all right? And you also ranking on page 1 for this location. But I know you're covering, other areas than Henrico. So you could also work on, if you want, work on ranking your location pages, right? Like Richmond or Midlothian, Virginia, because you are down here already. Although you're not on the top, but these are directories, so it's okay, you're the first one, so that's great. Now if we jump in here in Richmond, Virginia, again we can skip the directories and then see who's ranking here, which is these guys. So, and then we have them ranking our location page, and then that for Richmond, which is another big area that you cover, right? Now this is your numbers. You're doing really amazing. So I still wanted to share this quick video with you. Maybe you can get a new insight, maybe not, but I still wanted to share with you. These numbers are great, really great. This is your strength, your trust. You have these backlinks, these shout outs from other websites coming and giving you that trust and credibility. And then the organic keywords, you may be losing a few, but you're doing really great here. Now, if we see what the competitor is doing, the one that's showing up in Richmond, we can see their numbers are also great, 31 and 30, they're awesome, and they're bringing a little bit more. So their keywords are much less, but for some reason, you know, it's just more traffic value, and sometimes it's just a matter of checking backlinks, keywords, and see what's what you need if you want to be here, if you want to outrank them and get one of the spots here for Richmond or for Midlothian or for any other area where you serve, right? So basically that's what I wanted to show you. I know you're doing great already, and I think you already have a team. So if you're watching this, I really appreciate you, and I really appreciate if I can get feedback also. Just let me know if this has been helpful or informative or interesting or even entertaining. My name is Paulina, but again, I just wanted to show you, you know, basic things that can help you continue to grow your business, because you're already big, you're already a big business, but again, it's just you know, some insights that I wanted to share with you in case you want to work on getting more visibility in other areas. All right, well, take care and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.